Okay, for my third video, which is 7th grade ratios, I chose the standard 7.rp.a.1, and that standard is compute unit rates associated with ratios of fractions, including ratios of length, areas, and other quantities measured in like or different units. And so for the example that I have at Charlie's Chicken, you can buy a drumstick for $1.25. Or you can buy 16 drumsticks for $17.60. You buy the 16 drumstick pack. How much do you save per drumstick? Okay, so we have two different types of information that we need to write down. So over here, if we buy one drumstick, that's costing us $1.25. But over here, if we buy 16 drumsticks, it's costing us $17.60. So we need to find out the cost of each drumstick if we pay this price. So if we divide that by our 16 drumsticks that we bought, we come up with $1.10. So they cost $1.10 per drumstick. And so now, if we take a look, for over here, if we go up and we just order one drumstick, it costs us $1.25. But if we order 16, each drumstick is only costing us $1.10. And so here, back in the question, it says we bought the 16 drumstick pack. How much do we save per drumstick? So if this is 125, we subtract off our 110, and that gives us 15 cents. So we're saving 15 cents per drumstick to buy the 16 pack instead. For our second problem, our question says at Angie's Bakery, it takes 3 cups of milk to make 24 cupcakes. How much milk will it take to make 108 cupcakes for a wedding dinner? And so the way we want to think about this is we have 3 cups of milk. And we want to set this up as a proportion. And so our 3 cups of milk make 24 cupcakes. And proportions are equal to each other. And so on this side it says how much milk will it take to make 108 cupcakes. So it's asking us how much milk we need. So we're just going to say X cups of milk. And if you notice, our cups of milk are on the same, they're on the top. They're the same thing, so they have to be in the same place of the fraction. And then it says it will take to make 108 cupcakes. And so we could have put cupcakes on top, but since it gave us cups of milk first, I just put that on the top. There's no difference to put 24 cupcakes over 3 cups of milk and 108 cupcakes over X cups of milk. And so now with proportions, we just cross multiply. So we'll get 24x is equal to 324, I think. 324. And so now then we need to divide by 24. And so we would need 13. So this is telling us that we would need 13 and a half cups of milk.